This is going to be a video tutorial on how to rotate an image in Google Slides. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now, and I'm on Google Slides now. I have an image on my slide here. To rotate an image in Google Slides, it's very simple to do. I'll show you a couple different methods to doing it. The first method, probably the easiest, you want to left click on your image. I'm going to left click on it. Now as you can see, the bounding box has appeared around my image. You want to go up top here to where you see this little circle up here. You want to place your mouse cursor over that circle, and your mouse cursor becomes crosshairs. Then you want to hold down your left mouse button, and while holding down your left mouse button, you want to either drag left or drag right, however you want to rotate your image. You could rotate it as much as you want. Now I'm going to let go of my left mouse button. Now I have rotated my image. From here I can move my image wherever I want to. I'm going to press Ctrl Z a couple of times to back up. That's one way to rotate an image. Another way, first thing you want to do is select your image. Mine is already selected. I have the bounding box. The next thing you want to do is go up to Format Options. Format Options. Click on that. Now a pane opens up on the right hand side here. You want to click on Size and Rotation. Size and Rotation. And a drop down will appear. And from here, you could go down here and you can angle your picture with these arrows here. You could angle it one way, you could angle it the other way. You could also use this icon here to rotate it. You could flip your image. You could flip it backwards. Or you could flip vertically. Flip it upside down. But to rotate it, you want to use this angle here, and you want to use these arrows. Or like I said, you could use this little, as long as your image is selected, you have this little circle up here. That's probably the easiest way. And as you're moving it, it will tell you the degree that you're changing it. Like right there it says 12.5 degrees. That is how you rotate an image using Google Slides. Thanks for watching.